Hi, I'm Pattu from FreeFinCal, and in this video, let's talk about 3 proven habits that will help you make money online. I've been talking about the importance of a secondary income in several of past videos, and I've also talked about different ways in which a website can make money and evergreen tips to make money. You can check the links to that in the box below. So let's talk about 3 habits that will help you make money online. Now, as I told you, this is lateral knowledge or peripheral knowledge that I've got by creating content on FreeFinCal, making videos on YouTube for the last few years, and therefore, even though I don't implement many of the money-making ways, not the ones in this video. I do have the habits I talk about in this video, but I don't implement all money-making ways online. Even though I don't do that, I would like to talk about that. So, some plans for the summer. I would like to make more videos, as I just mentioned, on making money online. I think it's a very good way to start slowly build a secondary income stream. As long as you don't expect immediate money, it will work. I'm gonna also make videos on how to set up a website for blogging and how to write a blog if you're interested. Also, I want to start a series on weight loss. I also want to talk about data extraction and analysis. I want to make more videos in Tamil. I have started a separate. I have just opened a separate channel for FreeFinCal in Tamil, but I've not put any videos in it. I will do that in the coming months. I also want to try my hand with some Hindi. I've been learning some Hindi, watching videos and recollecting what I've learned. So let me see. Many people have asked me that. So please leave a comment on what topics out of these would interest you, or if there are anything else that you want, please let me know. Then I'll try and make videos on that. So let's talk about this. So what is the number one mistake made by those who want to make money online? I think the number one mistake is that they put the cart before the horse. That is, they want the money but do not understand the effort and the strategies involved in making money. They want the benefit without the waiting period, the patience it requires, or the effort it requires. Don't do that. That's I think we should first prepare ourselves in a certain way before making money online. You can't expect immediate results, and I think you should take it slow and take it gradually. This is what I've been saying all the time. This applies to investing as well as generating secondary income. Don't just start. Don't ask what topics should I write on. What topics will make more money. I mean, if you are asking that question, millions of people are asking that question, and it's probably a saturated topic. I think you should spend some time in deciding the area that you want to write on, the area that you can be creative and unique, right? So let's talk about that. There are many ways to make money online. It can be, I have talked about 8 different ways. You can make money by advertisement. You can make money by sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, selling courses, selling membership websites, drop shipping, whatever. There are many ways to do it. But there is one common link to all of them, and that is the presence of a website, and a website which gets updated with content, let's say articles, that pulls an audience, because it's one of the simplest and long-lasting strategy. Not just website, it's also a YouTube channel, it can be a podcast channel, whatever it is. So it is content creation in general is common to making money online, and that's so we're going to talk about 3 habits that will help you create that kind of content. The first habit is keep a log of everything that you search for. We use Google every day so often that we don't even know that we are using Google, right? I personally use Google for like anywhere between 10 to 15 times a day. And many times, for example, I use Google more for physics than for finance. I don't search many things in finance unless I want it for my article. I don't search. So most of my searches are about physics. And every time I search, practically you will be surprised. Actually 8 or 9 keywords that I search for will not have proper results. Those are all keyword opportunities. So please keep a log of all the keywords that you search for, whatever the topic, whether it is relevant to what you're going to write about or not. Just keep a log, sort them by topic. That is, let's say traveling or health or making money, or sort them by digital marketing, whatever. For each keyword, write down how good the results are. Do they actually are the results in the top 5 or maybe even the top 10? Do they help you answer the question that you're asking? If they do not actually answer, then that's a topic you should write about. Whether you like it or not, you should write about the topic. Whether you have interest in that or not, try to write a topic about that, because it gives you practice. Forget about making money. This is not about making money. You should get into the habit of looking for ideas that are not answered well, or at least answered well by the search engine, and you could create content for that. Because if you're searching, somebody else will also be searching for that. Do you see forum results on the top? For example, Quora is huge now. Quora Google search presence has become so huge that it is actually replacing Wikipedia and many search results. So I think if Quora is the top results, you could try and compete with it. So you could try to rank for it. So that's one way you can see that, okay, people are asking this in Quora, that means many people are searching for it. Let me write an article about it. Let's see what happens. Don't worry about results, just write. So every keyword that's not answered well is an opportunity for you to write about, but you need to keep a log of that. You need to keep a log of everything that you search for. Don't think, just write content, create a video, make a podcast, just do it. Don't think about how should I do it, how should I perfect it, when should I do it, what should be the color of my theme. Don't do all that bullshit. Just go start a blog on WordPress.com, start a YouTube channel, start a podcast channel. Just start writing anything that comes to your mind, any topic. Just use your smartphone and create a video. Don't worry about it. Do you see me worry about lighting and mic and so on? It's reasonable. It's not the best, but it just gets the job done. Just do it. Be regular. As long as that's the key to making money in anything. Be consistent. Be regular. If you're going to decide to write once a week, write once a week. Use your weekend and create one article. So as you keep writing, as you keep creating, you will understand topics that you are good at, topics that people will like, topics that you think you can actually make a difference in. So you will fine tune your interest. That's what's key. Forget about making money. All these steps will not make you money at all, but it will help you set the platform. That's what's important. And I have already talked about it. Please do this. Whether you want to make money online, whether you want to make money at all or not, it doesn't matter. Just spend 1 hour a day doing nothing. Just sit quietly or just take a walk, quietly do nothing. You let your mind think. Let your mind calm down and then think. You get ideas. When you get ideas, have a small notebook and pen with you and write them down. I have a big book. I have actually several books in which I have post ideas written, video ideas written down, and I just stick them when I finish it off. So that's how I'm able to produce regular content. I have another 10-15 ideas stored away, and these ideas I've not worked on for years because the mood is not right, the time is not right, whatever. But it will work. You need to create those ideas. You need to tell yourself that I am capable of creating something new. I am capable of creating something useful every day. And unless you have that as a goal and satisfy that urge to be creative and satisfy that urge to be useful to others, you cannot make money in anything. Forget it, let alone online. That's just about it. So blogging is similar to brushing your teeth. It should be instinctive. I mean, you should do it so regularly that it should become second nature. So that's when you get a clarity of what you want to create about. If the topic that you like to write about has money making potential, well, you are lucky. If it does not have money making potential, so what? Still write about it, because it will make you happy. You never know what will happen in future. That could be a trend. That could be a topic where it could pick up. Don't worry about it. Just start writing. And if you think that that's never going to make money, I have to change my interest, at least this exercise would have given you the habit of writing, the practice in writing, the command in English, the command in or any other language that you want to write in, the comfort level in talking to a camera or with a mic, whatever it is. It'll just make you a better content creator, and then you can move forward to a different area. So please try these 3 habits. Like start that. Do nothing for an hour a day, and work on it, and you will see results sooner or later. Let me know what you think about these ideas. Don't keep so if you I have only one message in this video. If you want to make money, don't keep making money as a goal. Then it will work so much better. So let me know what topics on this area or any other area that you want videos on, and I'll try and do them. I'll catch you again in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.